puzzle toy queen. You coming to figure it out? Let's see if you can figure it out. Welcome to the review today, you guys. We are doing a review of this puzzle toy for dogs. This is a treat dispensing puzzle toy. And before I even put treats in it, I'm going to show you guys how it works. So it has these two ends on it, and you can see the big holes on each side. If you turn these, so this part here on both sides turns, and see how it clicks? So depending on what size treats you put in here, you can make it dispense big treats, little treats, or less little treats, or more little treats. And then both ends of this actually come off, and you can throw the whole thing in the dishwasher, which is pretty amazing. I like that it has all the little holes in it, so she's gonna be able to smell that there's something in here. Let's put some treats in it, see what she thinks. There is some treats in here. You can see she's a little more interested. And I also wanted to show you, there is holes on both sides. So like when this one's fully open, that one's fully closed. That one's fully open, this one's fully closed. So you can do a lot of really cool stuff with it. And that's basically what you want your dogs to do. Exactly what Memphis just did. Push it and roll it, and the treats fall out. You figured that out so fast. Oh, look at all them treats that fell out. You figured it out so fast. What do you think? I made it a little harder. I made it so now they're only coming out of this hole right here. She figured it out. She knows what she's doing. But these are nice. If you have a dog that eats too fast, you can put their kibble in it. So they have to roll it around and use their brain to get some mental stimulation to get some treats out. Should I let the other dogs try it real quick? I probably should, to see if they can figure it out just as fast as Memphis did. Okay, take it. Go ahead. See if you can figure it out. Yeah, she's like, okay. Oh, we roll it. And maybe stuff comes out. Maybe. Oh, you got one. There you go. Yep, Eleanor figured it out pretty quick as well. She's like, maybe if I just pick it up, maybe it'll work. Yeah, good job. All right, I guess we should see if Kira can figure it out. One more try, El. There you go. She's like, yep, now I got it figured out. You got it? There you go. Roll it around and food comes right out. Let's let Kira give it a try. All right, Kira, your turn next. She'll figure it out. You got to roll it. There you go. There you go. Good job. So in conclusion, I love that I can take this all apart to make it easy to wash and keep clean. Toys like this need to be washed because your dogs have all that mouth stuff that gets all slimy on here. So I love that I can wash it. It's pretty simple. The dogs were able to figure it out pretty easily. Being able to open and close these holes bigger makes it so you can train your dog and then slowly make it a little bit harder. This is really cool. We recommend this.